Hey everybody! For today's activity, we're going to make ice cream in a bag. We're going to need half and half, vanilla extract, sugar, salt, a sandwich bag, and I have mine in a cup just so it's easier for me to pour, a gallon-sized bag, and ice, measuring cups and measuring spoons, and gloves or mittens, because when you shake the bag, it's going to get really cold on your fingers. So we're going to start by measuring out our ingredients, and I have already measured my ingredients. I find it easier that way, just so I'm not fumbling over everything when I'm trying to measure. So we're going to add 1 cup of half and half to our bag. Carefully. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, and carefully take it out. Take out all of the extra air and seal the bag tightly. Okay, now you're going to swish this up a little bit. Swish, 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 swish. And set it aside. You're going to add the salt to the bag of ice. My first bag had a hole in it, so I had a double bag. So I'm going to pour my salt. It's about a ½ cup to a ¼ cup or so of salt to the ice. You're going to place your bag into the big bag and seal it up. Put your mittens on, and you're gonna shake it. It'll take about 10 or 15 minutes for it to get turned into ice cream, but once it does, it's gonna look like this. And then you can take your mittens off, or leave them on if you want. But I'm gonna take mine off. I'm gonna open the bag and see it's not a liquid anymore. It's ice cream. Now the final step is to take a spoon and eat it all up. So good.